Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to watch, recap, or rerun in Netflix. Let's start! So, first of all, of course, you need to make sure you're successfully logged in to your Netflix account. And you can actually watch Netflix either on your mobile phones, tablet, in desktop, or in TV. So, for today's tutorial, I'm just using my mobile for us to access our Netflix. Now, the good thing about Netflix is that you would be able to watch the recap or rerun of the series or episodes that you wish to go back. Back in the old days, wherein, if you have favorite series and you have to wait for the scheduled air date, and if for example, you were able to miss the air date, then you will no longer have a chance to, watch a rerun or recap unless, the TV station would have to air it again. But for Netflix, there's a way for you to, go back to the previous episodes and you can watch them or access them any time of the day. So, say for instance, I will choose. So, let's have Little Pony. So, if I was able to miss episode 1 or episode 2, this is how you're going to access them. So, it's easy, guys. If I will just go back, so if I will select whatever series or TV series that you need to watch. Say if I choose this one, all you need to do is just the moment that you tap on the moment that you tap which episode you're going to watch or what movie or series that you need to watch, you can just see this part right here where it would show you different episodes that you could always go back. Bear in mind, guys, at the right portion, there's an option for you to actually download this, and we will have a different video tutorial for that. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.